Welcome to ElevenLabs, your launchpad for success as a content creator. This channel will go from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just 90 days. How? Without showing a face, hiring editors, or spending money. Today, Yale will reveal the exact free AI tools used. You'll learn how to replicate this success in 2025. Let's dive in. First, you need to pick a niche that's about to explode. Here's how. Open ChatGPT and type top 10 faceless YouTube niches for 2025 with low competition. For me, it suggested a gaming niche. Next, cross-check this with Google Trends. See this spike? That's your green light. Scripting your video is crucial. It accounts for 80% of your success. I rely on ChatGPT to write entire scripts. My secret prompt? Act as a YouTube expert. Create a 10-minute script about topic that goes viral in 2025. Include hooks, chapters, and a CTA. With this, you get scripts done in 30 seconds. Now, voiceovers. ElevenLabs has a free tier providing 10,000 characters per month. I input my ChatGPT script there, and then I select a friendly news reporter voice and download the MP3. The cost? Nothing at all. Editing can be a roadblock, but not for us. CapCut AI auto captions tool transcribes your voiceover instantly. Use the auto cutout feature to remove backgrounds from stock footage. Finally, hit auto reframe to resize for YouTube Shorts. One video can become 5 pieces of engaging content. To rank on YouTube, focus on SEO. Use ChatGPT again to generate 20 tags for a video titled Your Title. Copy and paste those into your upload. For thumbnails, Canvas Magic Studio AI creates compelling designs. Type your idea, for instance, robot holding a money bag, and voila, it's done. How did I monetize quickly? I joined affiliate programs for AI tools like ElevenLabs and Pictory. Every video includes links. Once I hit 1,000 subs, I launched a faceless YouTube blueprint on Gumroad. Result? $1,200 a month on autopilot. Looking ahead to 2025, it's going to be huge for faceless creators. YouTube will prioritize AI-optimized videos. Voice cloning will allow you to speak multiple languages effortlessly. Tools like Sora AI will generate entire videos from mere text. Start now to ride this emerging wave. I'll send you my free toolkit. Next week, I discover how I made $1,000 with YouTube Shorts in just 48 hours. To use this script, paste the voiceover into ElevenLabs or TTS Maker. For editing, use CapCut or Pictory.ai to match visuals with the voiceover. Source free clips from Pexels, Pixabay, or Canva. Generate your thumbnail using Canva or Leonardo.ai with the suggested prompts. Remember to add upbeat electronic background music from the YouTube audio library to avoid copyright strikes. If you found this helpful, smash like, subscribe, and comment AITOOLS below. See you then.